Have you ever tried to create a beautiful pie chart in R, only to be stopped dead in your tracks by an error message? It's frustrating, right? If you've encountered the error, "cannot shut down device 1, the null device," you're in the right place. Today, we're going to unravel this mystery together. I totally understand how annoying it can be when you're just trying to visualize your data, and instead you get hit with an error. You're not alone in this. Many new R users face similar challenges. Let's dive into the specific situation at hand. One user recently asked, "Why am I getting the error when trying to create a pie chart in R?" They provided some details. They're using Windows, R version 3.40, and R desktop. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what does this error mean? The message "cannot shut down device 1, the null device," typically indicates that R is trying to close a graphics device that isn't open. This can happen if the plotting function is not executed properly, or if there are issues with the graphics device. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this error in the future and keep your R programming smooth. To address the error the user encountered, we first need to understand what the null device is. The null device is a placeholder in R that indicates no active graphical device is open. Next, the user should check if the graphical device is properly opened before attempting to close it. This can be done by ensuring that the plot command is executed correctly. If the user still encounters the error, they can try running the code in a fresh R session. This helps to reset any previous graphical devices that may be causing the issue. Lastly, if the problem persists, the user should consider updating their R version. The version 3.40 is quite old, and newer versions may have fixed bugs related to graphical devices. Fun fact, did you know that the first pie chart was created by Florence Nightingale in the 1850s? She used it to present data on soldier mortality rates. Talk about making data visually appealing. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests that the issue was related to the directory where the file was trying to save. They modified the code to save the file in a different directory, and this resolved the error. That's the end of that answer. Let's see another perspective. An alternative solution shared by another user highlights a common mistake. They pointed out that forgetting the function brackets when calling dev.off can lead to the error. Instead of just typing dev.off, make sure to include the brackets like this, dev.off. That's all for that response. Let's see what someone else had to say. One user shared an alternative solution. They encountered a similar issue and found that highlighting the entire code chunk and rerunning it resolved the problem. This might be a helpful approach if you're facing the same error. Here's the tip I promised. Always ensure your graphics device is open before plotting, and remember to close it only after you're done. This simple habit can save you from frustrating errors. And there you have it. You should be able to create your pie chart without any errors now. Remember, proper device management is key in R. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video where we tackle more R programming challenges.